Hello everyone, I'm Divya, your math facilitator. I have come up with this video to discuss about the most important information for class 10 students. Yes, so you have been asking me a lot of queries since past few days. Yes, so I am here to clear all your queries. So let me tell you, you were asking me the first doubt you were asking me is about the live session. Yes, so you wanted live sessions from me. Right. So I'm going to talk about live session, and also you were asking me about the syllabus completion. Right. So I am here with a different plan for you. Okay. So as you can see on the screen, I'm planning math marathon. Okay. It's math marathon on 12th December 2020. Okay. So 12th and 13th December 2020, we are going to have a math marathon wherein I am going to give you live class. Okay, we are going to have the class live. It's a live session, and stay tuned till the end of this video. I'm going to give you a lot of surprises. Okay, so the agenda of this video is to tell you where am I going to start this math marathon and how am I going to start and what is the agenda of this. Okay, of this live session, and who can join the session, what I'm going to do in this session, and how to join the session. Okay, so these few points I'm going to explain in the next 5 to 6 minutes. So stay tuned. Okay, so watch the video completely, because if you miss one step, then you may not be able to join the session. Okay, and firstly, before telling you anything else, let me tell you that this marathon session is completely free. It's completely free. I'm not charging you anything. This is completely free. Okay, so if any one of you are thinking of what is the cost of it, or if you're thinking that I cannot pay for it, then don't worry, it is completely free. All you need to do is, I'll tell you how to join. Okay, so yes, let's move on to the next one. Now, what am I going to teach in this session? Okay, so I am going to teach you 2 chapters in 2 hours. Okay, as you can see, it's a marathon. Okay, so it is going to be a 2 hour session. Now, as we are very close to our board exams, I don't think you'll afford to waste any time. Yes, so within 2 hours, if you are going to complete 2 chapters completely, and this is how you are going to complete. You are going to learn 2 chapters. Okay, in 2 hours, you're going to learn all the concepts of the chapter. I'm going to teach you all the concepts of the chapter in detailed explanation. Okay, complete explanation, and you're going to have live poll. Okay, so once I teach the chapter, we shall have few questions. Live poll, I'll give you poll. That means I'll give you a quiz. You can answer the quiz, live quiz. You'll have leaderboards. Okay, and I'm going to discuss the most important questions, different model questions of this chapters, and most importantly, we are going to discuss the previous year questions also. As you all know, previous year questions are really important, because based on the previous year questions itself, you'll get the present questions. Okay, and this year previous year questions are going to play a very important role, because as you all know, you don't have your schools. Okay, only online classes you are having, and the question paper, I'm expecting it to be easy, and mostly it will be dependent on the previous year questions. Okay, so know the concept, know the explanation, participate in the poll. Okay, let us do all the model questions related to those 2 chapters in 2 hours, and also let us solve previous year questions, so that once you leave the session, after the 2 hours of the session, you should feel that okay, this is what I have learned. Okay, now these 2 chapters, I know it very well and I can attempt it. So once the session ends, then you should be confident that you will do it and you can do it. Okay, so and we are going to have a dhamaka. Okay, we are going to have real dhamaka on weekends. Okay, so the timings are going to be 4:30. Yes, the timings are 4:30 evening. Okay, so 4:30 p.m. sharp, Saturday and Sunday. I want you all to be there. Okay, as it is free, I hope you all be utilizing it well. Right. So now, who should attend? Who should attend? So all the beginners. Now there are 3 categories of students. Category number 1. So, ma'am, I did not study anything till now. I did not start my preparation. What should I do? So, category 1. Yes, they are the beginners. you definitely attend the session, because within 2 hours, if you're going to complete 2 chapters, then that would be a great advantage for you, isn't it? And the category 2 students, half tracker. You have completed 3 or 4 chapters and you have no clue of how to complete the remaining chapters. Yes, and you're not little motivated. Okay, you're a little lazy. You have to complete the chapters. You are stressed, but you don't know how to complete. So definitely attend my marathon. You will complete 2 chapters in 2 hours, which means Saturday we are going to complete 2 chapters, Sunday 2 chapters. So on a whole, we are going to complete 4 chapters in 2 days and within 4 hours. Think how amazing it is, isn't it? And then the last category is the finishers, those students who have already completed their entire portion and they're waiting for the syllabus revision. So definitely this would be a great opportunity for you to revise. Yes, so within 1 hour you would be participating with your competing with your fellow mates, with your classmates, with your class 10 students, and then you would be participating in the poll. You will know where are you in the leaderboard, you will know how far you have prepared correctly. Yes, and moreover you'll have a very good revision. Yes, so that's the 3 categories of people who can attend. In simple, if I have to say, everyone, every student, let it be in any stage of learning, you have to attend the session so that you will benefit, right? And as I told you, the session is completely free. Now here comes the point, how to join. Okay, I'll tell you the steps to join. As you can see, I'm wearing the t-shirt of Unacademy, which means it is very clear that I'm going to take the class on Unacademy, right? So on Unacademy, I'm going to take these classes. Now here in comment sections, I'll get the comments, ma'am, what about YouTube? Don't worry, I'm continuing the sessions in YouTube also. We will have our sessions as usual in YouTube. Now this live session, I'm going to take it in Unacademy. Okay, I'll tell you how. So if you have already downloaded Unacademy app, it is well and fine. If you did not download Unacademy app, then do download Unacademy app. So you have an app, go to Play Store. Okay, in your mobile, just go to Play Store. As you download every app, you have to download Unacademy app. And again, let me again remind you, this is free. Okay, downloading the app is also completely free. Okay, once you download the app, you have to log in. Okay, step 1, download the app. Step 2, just log in. You can log in with your email ID or you can log in with your phone number. Okay, very simple process, just log in. So once you log in, you have to use my code GD10. Okay, so there is nothing harm in using this code GD10. You will get your classes for free. This code is just to unlock your free classes. Okay, it will just, in simple words, it will just open your free classes. Okay, it is like a ticket for your free classes. Clear? So you have to type the code GD10. Okay, so if you already have Unacademy app, if you're already using it, then I will just share you the link of the marathon session in the description box. Okay, just below the video you'll find a description, so I'll just share you the link. Okay, just click on the link and you will go to this page. I'll just show you. So you will get this. Okay, so if you click on the link which I'm giving you in the description, you'll get this. Okay, here you can see it is Math Marathon for Boards 2021, and here you can see my profile, my name Gujjeti Divya, and my photo. Okay, so here you can find a green color tab which says notify me. Okay, so just click on this notify me. So what happens if you click on this notify me? So you will get this. Okay, once you click on that green button, you will get this. Okay, we will notify you when it is live. Okay, so what happens now? We are watching the video. So maybe on Saturday you might forget, you might watching your favorite movie and you might forget that there is a class, which is very important. Yes, so Unacademy will send you a notification that, Arey, you have a class, come on, take your books and come on, get ready for the class. Okay, so this will help you to stay notified. Okay, it is just like a reminder. Okay, so do click on that and also follow me here on Unacademy. Okay, if you click on this Gujjeti Divya, you'll find follow. Okay, do click on follow so that whatever classes I'm taking on Unacademy, you can see all the classes. I have started another session called 100 on 100. Okay, 100 on 100 mathematics series, wherein I'm discussing important questions of all the chapters. Okay, so not just marathon, we have lot of things which are happening there. And also I'll be taking classes in YouTube. As you can see, every day you get a class 10 video, isn't it? So every day you're getting a class 10 video, and also here every day you can attend a live class. Okay, so one recorded class of me on YouTube and one live class of me here on Unacademy. Now what else do you want? So you can stay prepared for your board exams, don't worry. Okay, but let me remind you the important thing here. So for the new students who are downloading the app for the first time, just log in. After you log in, come back to my video here in YouTube. Okay, just log in, come back to my video here in YouTube. Below the video, I told you you'll have a description. Okay, in the description, I'm going to give you the link of the class. Click on the link. So directly when you click on the link, it will show you the Unacademy app symbol. Okay, click on it. So you will be directed to Unacademy app. Okay, once you download it. Okay, once you download it, log in, come back to YouTube, click on my video. Okay, click on the description link, then it will direct to Unacademy. There again you'll get this page. Okay, you'll get this page, but before that you will get a box asking you for live code. Okay, before this also you'll get a code. Okay, a box asking you for live code. So in this live code you will type GD10. Don't forget to type GD10, because if you type GD10, your free classes will open up. If you don't know this code, again you cannot watch the classes. Okay, so type this code, and let me remind you again and again that all these classes are free. Okay, as I'm teaching free on YouTube, the same thing is on Unacademy. It is free. Okay, do join, because I know your board exams are very close to you, and I know you're all tensed, stressed. You're asking me of taking extra classes and all. So I'll be taking here few classes. I'll be taking on YouTube few. So come here, come on Unacademy, come on YouTube. Yes, maximize your time, optimize whatever is you're having in your hands, right? And there is one surprise for all the Telangana and AP students. Okay, I'm not going to reveal it now. So the surprise for Telangana and AP students, I'm not going to reveal it now. I'll reveal it very soon in my next video maybe. Okay, so till then, do all the steps which I told you. Okay, all the Telangana and AP people especially, do all the steps which I told you, and all others. So this syllabus is going to be like a universal syllabus. As you know, maths is almost same for all the states. Yes, so everyone utilize this opportunity, use the free classes to the fullest extent, and my live code, you have to type this code GD10 when you log in for the first time. Okay, and you have to type notify me, click on notify me. Okay, and let us have a dhamaka, let us have amazing sessions. And as I told you, everyone can join the session, right? So let's rock the session. Every Saturday and Sunday we are going to have this, starting from this Saturday. So don't miss out. Let me see your response. If your response is very good, then I'll continue such amazing sessions. So I am expecting a very good response from you. Do share this video to all your friends, let everyone join in Unacademy as well as in YouTube. Let everyone join. Okay, because everything is free here. Let them enjoy, let them learn, and let's start the revolution, right? So I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, I'll take a leave. Bye bye.